everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own paper puppets. Hey, come! Okay, coming! First, we will fold the paper into half, and then we will fold it into another half. Next, we will fold the paper into half again. We will fold it into half back again for the top one and for the one that is under it, so that we can put our hands inside. See, that's how it works. Now I will just tape it so that there will not be openings under the puppets. The tape is a bit sticky, so I'm going to get a new one. Okay, now we just taped it onto the paper puppets, and this is what does it look like. Okay, I'm taping it right now, and now this is the puppets. So we put our hands, put our thumbs on top, and put other 4 fingers inside. Now I'm cutting the ears for my puppets so it looks more cuter, because I'm making animals. This is how it looks when I finish taping the ears. Now let's color our puppets. I'm drawing the face, the eyes and the nose, and I'm coloring the ears of my puppets, which is green. Now let's color the body of our puppets. I'm coloring green and red so it looks like a Christmas tree. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.